just to show you. Downpipe, stone cold. So obviously you'll get a little bit of condensation coming out, but let's go around to the dashboard. In she goes. There you go, buddy. Hopefully that answers your question. I mean, to be fair, the bike's been it's been valeted and detailed and put in the garage. So it's been sort of stationary for like 3 weeks. So the battery did all right there to start up, but it's got a trickle charger on it. It's got the Optimate lead on it, so not an issue at all. So the battery's actually quite good, I'd say. There you go. Hopefully hear from you shortly. Cheers, buddy. Take care.